Good morning, my dear students. So this video is made from revision purpose of lesson number 1, Geography, Resource and Development. You can also try to give answers while pausing the video. So let's start the video. Which one of the following soil is most suitable for the cultivation of cotton? That is Regur soil. It is also known as black soil because of its black color, and cotton soil. So this type of soil mainly found in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Question number 2. Soil is formed by the process of weathering. In weathering, a big piece of rock will be disintegrated into small pieces of rocks, which will further help in the formation of soil. So question number 3. Land left without cultivation for 1 or less than 1 agricultural year, that is called current fallow land. Question number 4. In question number 4, we have one statement that there is enough for everybody's need but not for anybody's greed. So this statement is given by Mahatma Gandhi. C answer. Question number 5th. Resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization is known as, that is, developed resources. So all these 4 types of resources, potential, develop, stock and reserve, these are the subcategories of resources based on the status of development. Then question number 6th. In 6th, we have to mention which statement is correct with reference to international resources. So as we know, international resources are that resources which are used with the regulation of some international institutions. So that is answer A. Resources which are regulated by international institutions. And example of this type of resources are EEZ. That means exclusive economic. Then question number 7th. The first International Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. So in this Earth Summit, more than 100 heads of different nations met and they passed Agenda 21. Question number 8. The most widespread relief feature of India, that is plain. Plain cover 43% area of our country and they provide facilities for agriculture as well as industries. Question number 9. Resources which are found in a region but have not utilized or put in use. So these are potential resources. Example, huge potential in the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan for the development of solar and wind energy. Question number 10. Which one of the following statement is true about the term resources? As we know, resources, these are the functions of human activities such as a car, pen, pencil, etc. Question number 11th. The red soil is red in color because of it is rich in iron compound and these are found in the states of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Question number 12. Soil formed by intense leaching, that is laterite soil. Actually in leaching, all the micronutrients will be washed away due to high rainfall, and this type of soil found in the states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Question number 13. Which one of the following type of resources is iron ore? As we know, iron ore is in the category of non-renewable resources and this is based on the basis of exhaustibility. Question number 14. Under which of the following types of resource can tidal energy be put that will be in replenishable. In this category, resource can be replenished and renewed. Question number 15. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? That is over irrigation. Question number 16. In which one of the following states is terrace cultivation practice? So as we know, terrace cultivation is practiced in the mountainous area. Actually, in this type of cultivation, a mountain can be cut into the pieces of terrace, which will further restrict the flow of water and reduce soil erosion. And from these four, only Uttaranchal or Uttarakhand is a mountainous state, so terrace cultivation is practiced in Uttaranchal or Uttarakhand. Question number 17. In which of the following states is black soil found? So as we know, black soil also known as Regur soil because of its black color, and cotton soil. It is found in the states of Gujarat, then Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Question number 18. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to National Forest Policy 1952? So according to this policy, 33% area of a country should be under forest, because forests, they are quite essential for the survival of humans. Question number 19. Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy the human needs, but human beings do not have appropriate technology to assess or use them. These are called stock. An example of this type of resource is H2O, means water. As we know, water is the mixture of two highly inflammable gases, but due to lack of technology, human they are not use these two gases as a resource. Question number 20. India's territorial water extend up to a distance of 12 nautical miles, and this type of resource is also known as national resource. Question number 21. Resources that take long geological time for their formation are called, these are known as non-renewable resources. Example, coal and petrol. Question number 22. Land that is left uncultivated or without cultivation for more than 5 agricultural year, that is called cultivable wasteland. And barren land is that land which is not fit for cultivation. Question number 23. Area sown more than once in a agricultural year plus net sown area is known as, that is called gross cropped area. And area sown only once in a agricultural year, that is called NSA, means net sown area. Question number 24. The total degraded land in our country is 130 million hectares. Question number 25. In which of the following states mining has caused severe land degradation? Severe means very bad or extremely bad. So as we know, mining is a cause of land degradation in the states of Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand and Odisha, and from these three, Jharkhand is in this category. Question number 26. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh, that is over irrigation. Question number 27. What is the most common soil in northern India? That is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil also known as transported soil, and this is brought by three river system: Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. Question number 28. Red soil is mostly found in the parts of eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. This looks red due to the diffusion of iron particles. Question number 29. Red soil is reddish colored due to the diffusion of iron in igneous and metamorphic rocks, and this is found in the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Question number 30. Which of the following is not important for the soil formation? That is duration of day. All these three relief, parent rock, climate, they are playing a very crucial. Question number 31. Black soil is also called Ragur soil because of its black color. Then question number 32. Black soils are common in Deccan Trap. Deccan Trap is that area of Great Peninsular Plateau which is covered with the black soil, and mainly these are found in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh along with the Gujarat. Question number 33. Laterite soil is very useful for growing tea, coffee and cashew nut. These are found in the area where temperature and precipitation both are high. Question number 34. In question number 34 we have to mention black soil is deficient in phosphoric contents. Then question number 35. Which of the following soils has self-aeration capacity? Black soil. Black soil has self-aeration capacity when black soil develop cracks on its surface. Question number 36. Plowing along the contour lines to deaccelerate the flow of water down the slopes is called contour plowing. Actually, this is a method of soil conservation in the mountainous area. Then question number 37. Which of the following is not a measure for soil conservation? That is D answer, over drying of groundwater. Then question number 38. This is in the form of blanks. Dash and dash are the methods of soil conservation in the hilly areas. So contour plowing and terrace farming. These are two methods of soil conservation in the hilly areas or mountainous area. Question number 39. Old alluvial soil is also called Bangar, and this is less fertile. Then question number 40. Dash is a method of growing rows of trees in arid areas to restrict the flow of desert. So that is called shelter belts. Question number 41. Soil has high water retaining capacity. So that is black soil. Question number 42. Land consisting of many gullies and riverines are called bad land, which is not used for cultivation. Then true false. Land use pattern of India is top-sided. This is true. Question number 44. The alluvial soil is the most widespread soil in India. True, because 43% area they have covered in the form of plains. Then red soil are found in desert areas. This is false, because red soil is found in the states of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Question number 46. Fossil fuels are examples of non-recyclable resources. This is true. Question number 47. Protection of soil from erosion is called conservation. True. Question number 48. Solar energy is an example of a non-recyclable resource. This is a false, because solar energy is an example of a recyclable resource. If you like the video, then please press the like button, and for more updates do subscribe my channel.